Champs, a high point on the annual sports calendar, spotlighting the best of high school track and field, and a magnet for overseas talent scouts. This year's staging setting new records and as exciting as ever. But what's up with those gone fingers?
Blue skies and ominous clouds for Champs, but no bad bolts from the blue, weather holding up just fine. The pantheon of track and field greats pointing the way for today's hopefuls, even some yet to know it.
All right, today I'm looking forward to seeing the 4x4. I look forward to see the steeplechase after this because most of them say whoever win the steeplechase normally win champs. You understand me? I say, or whichever of the top 3 schools that place highest in the steeplechase normally wins champs. If we do actually win, it's going to be a fight to the finish. Calabar is not a competition. I don't know why they don't stay down by Riddles Road and wait until their names are called.
Yes, well, the usual big talk, and inside the usual high turnout, ticking off all the demographics. Class, age, gender. Champs a reliable crowd pleaser. Except for ticket prices, especially for kids on Saturday.
I think that what they should have done is give the school ticket to sell to the student and barcode them only for student, like for $1,000. And adults, you can charge you $2,500, but they cannot price out the student. And if you have a child running and you want to see a child running, this is not Diamond League.
Stepping on the inside, Herman back in third.
Grandstand, too expensive. Me a plan to go over there, but it cost me 15,000. Oh, but that's a good man.
Kingston College is there.
And Champs a big boost to sometimes flagging national pride, especially when records fall.
I live in a country where those things they're not even seen among adults. And when we have Jamaican children who are running under 11 for female categories and under 10 for male categories, that is saying a lot. And as a proud Jamaican, I can't show off about it any more than I have been doing.
Familiar faces in the sea of sports fans. Remember him? Johan Blake not very hopeful about St. Jago's chances this year.
It's been tough. We are regrouping. We are looking some athletes. Hopefully by next year we can be better.
Which race are you excited to see today?
If you see what's happened, the first schoolboy athlete to go 9 seconds, which was impressive, and also Alana Reid. It's so impressive, and looking forward for the 4 hurdles. I think something special is going on with the Edwin Allen in the class 1, so it's going to be interesting.
Calabar always in the running, but supporters sounding less than confident, though not showing it.
Well, whether win, lose or draw, I'm a Calabar fan.
First of all, Calabar not in the division. Them not in it. JC up there now, but we just better, you see.
It doesn't really matter. Legend to the end, we'll never switch. We don't care. Calabar to the world.
Are you satisfied with how Jago performed this year?
Oh yeah, of course. I mean, on both boys and girls side, we clearly kill it. The best all-round school in the country. Top 5 in both. Yeah, man, I'm good with that.
He and others also good with youngsters from other countries participating at Champs, like Isaiah Patrick from Grenada and Vincentian Ronaldo Andrews.
It was a good 2 years because at the end of the year I was able to be a record holder and a double medalist at the Champs.
St. Vincent, they have a lot of talent, but it's just the people to nurture it. So coming to Jamaica with more infrastructure and more structured programs and, more expertise in terms of the coaches and so on, yes, that helps us a lot.
I think it can work for us in the sense that it adds more competition for our Jamaican students. As long as they not kill up on the world stage, then I'm good with that.
So if persons are seeing fit to come here to go to high school, you can know that the tertiary institutions overseas are looking to reap from the crop that is sown here.
Well, as long as it don't overcrowded, nothing wrong. As long as they don't go over the limit, because it's our local champs and it's the biggest in the world and everybody looking to take part in it, everybody flying in to see what's going on. As long as they don't overcrowd it, I think it's all right.
Champs atmospherics playing in to the excitement. The drumming, vuvuzelas and cheers setting the stage for the big races.
There's only one champion, one college, one great high school, and it's Jamaica College. School's so great that we name a country after it.
Forever old boys forgiven for laying it on a tad thick.
Who's gonna win the championship? Only race. I'm looking for the 4x4. Last race. That's gonna be the greatest race of all.
Great, great, great. The vibes is nice. JC can turn up load. One college, JC, straight.
I came all the way from New York to be here. I've been attending Champs since 1979. Can you believe that?
Easily. Devotion to high school athletics, one of the continuing ties that bind.
And I'm glad I was here to witness that record-breaking performance from Nkrumah, the GOAT.
New star Sean at Champs. Everybody talking about Casey's Buwaje Nkrumah, setting a new record in the boys' 100-meter Class 1. The first junior athlete to run under 10 seconds. News to everybody else, it seems, but him.
It's an electrifying start by Buwaje and Nkrumah. Daly and Benjamin are chasing relentlessly. And Nkrumah steps on the accelerator, goes away in grand style. It's a great performance. 9:97. Wow, we have just seen the first ever top 10 in the history of Champs.
I knew I was going to do it. It was expected. It's not something that I'm very, very happy for, but I'm grateful for. It was worth it. Hard work, injuries, back in it. We deserve it.
Nkrumah gave us what we wanted already. He gave us the 100 meter. But Kingston College for life.
Listen, it's a brand, right? And you know that people don't like expensive stuff. That's why a lot of them don't like us. But we are okay with that. Kingston College to the world.
Yeah, sure, I know the man them make a support.
Sir, I bleed purple if you cut me as a purple.
Listen, Casey has a lot of haters, and trust me, this just put the icing on the cake.
Which high school it is?
Merle Grove High School.
Thanks for reminding us. Was beginning to wonder if Casey had gone co-ed.
2 brothers, 4 cousins, 3 uncles, and 12 boys that I used to teach. So my loyalty is very much, it runs deep.
I guess that's because the vibes that they bring, maybe because of the colors as well, and because maybe they had bigger siblings, or grew from seeing those schools as one of the major schools that persons really support.
Go green. Never work on it. Me never see KC fans booster yet. Me never see Vanessa booster yet. All of us do. Straight Calabar to the world, we now switch.
You're the only woman who go Calabar.
No, you don't see be a woman go Calabar too. We still support them straight. Them need to get the all girls part though, you see it.
I'm glad I fly down from Atlanta just for this. I'm not regretting it any at all.
For him, a world of difference from back in the day.
The vibes is right. I mean, just look at it. It's like a sea of purple and white.
JC look good though.
Who?
JC.
Where them come from?
Smiles and hugs all round, especially after all that hard work to get here.
Well, it's very hard, very, very, very hard. And I just say I'm going to come out here and do it for my mom and my dad, my coach, everybody that support me.
Wobbly legs, tough calls, raw emotion, and spills, along with the thrills.
Negative comments, they actually push us to work harder. All those words saying that we can't do it. Every year we say we'll come first and we come second. Thank you for all those comments. Those are really our biggest motivation.
Hydel with its first trophy at the championships. Casey racking up win number 34 in high style and with little mercy for longtime rivals.
Calabar, next time turn up at Champs, don't go sports day. At sports day, we go with them points there.
Well, it's always a great feeling when you win the Boys and Girls Championship.
knowing that you have a lot of competitors out there and to be on top, it's always a wonderful feeling.
We are feeling very excited. Adrenaline is rushing through our body because we work for this. We really put out the effort to get here and to get where we is today. So on behalf of everybody, we're feeling superb at the moment.
Scholarships and who knows, even professional glory awaiting some here today on the world stage tomorrow. Champs seen as a success story, with next year's installment already whetting an insatiable appetite for track and field excellence, but marred yet again by athletes celebrating with gun fingers and getting away with acts of indiscipline for which the governing body ISA seems to have no answer.